Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to speed up your Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! So there are two main ways of speeding your phone on Google Pixel. The first one is actually going to your default browser that you're using and checking the amount of tabs you have opened. If you have a lot of tabs, then the phone will be slow. So we can go into our tabs list and simply click three dots in the top right corner and then hit this very juicy button called Close All Tabs. We will close all tabs and groups, and as you can see 42 tabs are now closed, meaning that, well, our phone is now going a little bit smoother. However, the browser is not the only place in which we have the ability to open a bunch of useless things that are just running background. Because if we check our applications, we will see that we have one app running in the background, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this list is pretty long. So I would also advise you to just from time to time scroll all the way to the left and just hit that clear all button, okay? It will make my life better, it will make your life better, and it will certainly make your phone life better. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.